Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. Hi friends and welcome back, and if you're new to my happy home, welcome. In today's video I have a very simple and easy DIY for you on a budget. It will not cost you anything. You can use anything that you have on hand, because that is exactly what I did. Now what I'm going to share with you are these super cute fabric carrot DIYs. And I saw my friend Mitzi over at 80s Thrifter hauling some carrots, and I thought they were so cute. And since we don't have any of those here in the Netherlands, I decided to make my own. So if you want to see how I created these, then keep on watching. For this DIY I'm using some leftover fabrics. I have this beautiful shimmery silver fabric that was actually a part of an old pillow cover that I didn't use. Now what I'm starting to do is folding it in half and then again in half, and then I'm cutting open the size. So you are left with one square, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold that in half again and then cut out a triangular shape. The next step is closing down the long side of the triangle. For that I'm turning it inside out and using my glue gun. Now I really like doing projects that are cost and time efficient, and this project was exactly that. It didn't cost me anything and it didn't take a lot of time to create these. So if you are anything like me, this is just a project for you. Easy and simple to do. After gluing it down, I'm left with this cone shape, and before I turn it inside out, I will be gluing down the pointy edge of this cone, because I don't want it to be like really this pointy. So I'm making it stump, if that makes any sense, but you will see that later on. And this is what it looks like after I turn it back inside out. And maybe now you see what I mean, that it doesn't have really that pointy end. And next I'm gonna fill the cone with this filling that I had left over from a Christmas project. And I'm just plugging some little pieces so I can fill it more evenly. To close up the top, I am using these trash bag binders. Now this is optional, because you can use anything that you have on hand, maybe some small rubber bands or a tie wrap, but this is what I had on hand. Now I'm not gonna close this up just yet, so I'm leaving just a little bit open, as you can see here, enough that my finger will fit through, because I'm still gonna need to make the stem of the carrot. And for that I am using this raffia that I have, and I'm just wrapping it around my hand a couple times, and then I'm going to cut it open and then push it in through the opening of the carrot. After pushing the raffia in for about ½ an inch, I am pulling the binder more tight to close it up. Now I'm almost done, but first I'm cutting off the excess fabric to give it a more finished look. And it is done, and I think it's so cute already, but of course I am not quite done yet. I'm gonna kill two birds here with one stone by adding this piece of bling wrap to cover up the binder and of course give it that bit of glam look. And this was the final step in this project for me. And of course, this is completely optional. You can use any type of fabric, any colors that you like to make it your own. If you know me, then you know I don't like doing big projects, so this was a very simple and easy project to do. And what I love about it is that I didn't have to go out and buy anything. I love doing projects that uses materials that I have on hand. Now I went ahead and make a couple different ones using different fabrics, and I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. And here are my finished products, my Glam Carrot DIYs. I am absolutely loving how these turned out. So just that you know, here in the Netherlands we are not big on seasonal decor. We just do not have so many items to choose from. And when I saw Mitzi haul her black and white carrots, I thought, well, since I cannot buy it, I DIY it, right? And that's it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this and that you could have taken some inspiration. Now I hope to see you again in my next one. So till then, always remember to live, laugh and love. Bye!